Welcome to Chitrakote Waterfalls. These falls located 38 kilometers from Jagdalpur in the state of Chhattisgarh in India. Myself Trilochan. I am interested in providing useful information about various places. Please watch this video till the end to know more about Chitrakote Waterfalls. Here water plunges from 98 feet height and forms horseshoe-shaped gorge. This Chitrakote Waterfalls, also known as the Niagara Falls of India. This horseshoe-shaped waterfall situated on the river Indravathi, which is the tributary of mighty Godavari river. The water is reddish during the rainy season, and it is crystal clear during normal days. Please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please do share it. Thank you so much. My friend during his visit.